go again. We are finally done. We are finally done. That's Joe's. This is the good restaurant.
Joe's.
Yeah, I heard those are good restaurant. I heard.
Original Joe restaurant.
Yo, we're gonna go to Cerro Monte next. We're gonna eat. Good evening, everyone. It's a time check, 4 o'clock. Smells so
Sabi niya.
good.
Sabi ni Dante, hirap daw kumita. $1 kinita ko. Kaya mo lang, kahit $5, $10.
Hello, everyone. It's foggy again. It's foggy. It's foggy again. It's cold and it's windy. I don't know. Green na ngayon ng Westlake, hindi na, ano
Ano
puro,
ba dati?
dati,
White?
oh eh.
White and...
Oo, ngayon, puro green. Puro green na, oh. Baka mayaman na ngayon ng Westlake, kaya, ayun, tapos
Oh,
isang blue.
Boulevard Cafe, the
Oh.
one that I'm telling you.
I've been there before, though I don't like it.
Don't like the
No,
the-
I've been there with Tito Art before. I don't like it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Not that good?
No, their food is dry.
But the big
I never-
burger.
Yeah, it's big.
It's a big burger?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You guys, you should subscribe to my Tito Nandeg's Facebook, man. He is funny. You guys subscribe to his Facebook or follow him.